Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase Wallet to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your BTC for better security or easier access, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so let's do this carefully. First things first, before you start, ensure you have both wallets set up. You'll need a verified Coinbase account with some Bitcoin in it, and the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device. If you haven't already, download Arculus from your app store and complete the setup process. It only takes a few minutes. Okay, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Bitcoin holdings by selecting the Assets tab and finding BTC. Step 2. Tap on your Bitcoin balance and choose the Send or Withdraw option. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Arculus Wallet app. Step 3. In Arculus, go to the Receive section. Here, you'll see your unique Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as entering the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste the Arculus wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including any network fees. These fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Step 5. Hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Save that for your records. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on the Bitcoin network. Once it's done, head back to Arculus and refresh your balance to see your Bitcoin has arrived. Pro tip: always use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication on both wallets to protect your assets. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Arculus in 2025. It's a simple way to manage your crypto more effectively. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.